Don't align your objects into an object orientation like this in Blender. Instead, select the orientation that you want to align with, and then in Transform Orientation tab, click on the plus button to create a custom orientation. After that, change the cursor location into the selected orientation and change the object's location into the cursor. And then in Objects Transform tab, choose Align to Transform Orientation to align the object with the custom orientation. If you want to add more thickness to your model, you can do that by just pressing Alt plus S. And after that, you can configure how thick your model wants to be. Don't extrude loop faces like this. Instead, select all the loop faces, press Alt plus E, and choose Extrude along normals. Stop filling holes like this in Blender. Instead, select the edge loop, press Ctrl plus F, and choose Grid Fill. And you're done. So you want to add a loop cut on a cone, but Blender won't let you do it? Don't worry, here's the best way to do it. First, press K to go into knife mode, and when you want to cut, press C plus A, and cut from left to right. After that, press Enter, and you're done.
Don't symmetrize your mesh like this. Instead, select all of the vertex, press F3 and search for Symmetrize. And in Under Symmetrize tab, change the axis into the axis that your mesh is facing. After that, merge by distance to remove any doubled vertices. Don't extrude faces individually like this. Instead, select all faces that you want to extrude. And then, press Alt plus E and choose Extrude Individual Faces. If you want to extrude and rotate a face at the same time, I recommend you to use the Spin tool. First, place the 3D cursor to the face that you want to extrude, and then, select the Spin tool in Left button layout, and press the plus button to extrude. Stop making faces on an edge loop like this. Instead, select both edge loop by pressing Alt or Shift, and then, press right-click and select Bridge Edge Loops. If you want to make a curvy mesh, I recommend you to use one of the curve objects. You can shape it into the shape that you want, and then, in Curve Properties and in Under Geometry section you can make a mesh from a curve that you shaped before. This method will save you a lot of time.